Hello everyone. In this video, you are going to learn the 25 new words related to everyday items and objects in English language. Make sure you watch this video to the end if you want to master the basics of English language. In our previous lesson, we have learned the four basic sentence structures in English language. The link to the video is in the description box below. In this video, we are going to use them to form four different examples for each new word related to everyday objects and items. The first example for each new word is the SVO sentence pattern. That is, the subject plus verb plus object. The second is the subject verb pattern, which is called the SV pattern. The third is this SVC pattern. The SVC pattern, which is subject verb complement. Subject plus verb plus complement. The fourth is SVOC pattern, which is subject verb object complement. Now let's jump into the first new word, which is related to everyday object in English language. So the first word is chair. Alice sits on the chair. The chair squeaks. The chair is comfortable. I painted the chair red. Table, table. Tom sets the table. The table wobbles. The table is round. She cleaned the table thoroughly. Spoon. Sam uses a spoon. The spoon bends. The spoon is shiny. He bought the spoon cheaply. Fork. She holds the fork. The fork falls. The fork is clean. Mary dropped the fork accidentally. Knife. Ben sharpens the knife. The knife cuts. The knife is sharp. He placed the knife carefully. Plate. Laura broke the plate. The plate spins. The plate is chipped. She stacked the plate high. Cup. Joe fills the cup. The cup leaks. The cup is full. He forgot the cup outside. Glass. She drinks from the glass. The glass shatters. The glass is clear. He washed the glass quickly. Phone. Anna answers the phone. The phone rings. The phone is new. She bought the phone yesterday. Laptop. I close the laptop. The laptop overheats. The laptop is fast. He repaired the laptop successfully. Pillow. She buys a pillow. The pillow flattens. The pillow is soft. I fluffed the pillow nicely. Blanket. He folds the blanket. The blanket covers. The blanket is warm. She knitted the blanket herself. Towel. Sarah dries off with a towel. The towel absorbs. The towel is fluffy. He hung the towel to dry. Lamp. He turns on the lamp. The lamp glows. The lamp is bright. She fixed the lamp easily. Book. She reads a book. The book opens. The book is interesting. He wrote the book last year. Pen. Bob uses a pen. The pen leaks. The pen is blue. She lost the pen somewhere. Notebook. Jim buys a notebook. The notebook fills. The notebook is new. She filled the notebook quickly. Wallet. She checks her wallet. The wallet empties. The wallet is brown. He found the wallet intact. Key. Tom finds the key. The key turns. The key is rusty. She dropped the key quietly. Clock. She watches the clock. The clock ticks. The clock is old. He set the clock accurately. Wristwatch. He wears a wristwatch. The wristwatch beeps. The wristwatch is stylish. She adjusted the wristwatch gently. Bag. She carries a bag. The bag tears. The bag is heavy. He packed the bag quickly. Shoes. He polishes the shoes. The shoes fit. The shoes are new. She wore the shoes comfortably. Coat. She hangs the coat. The coat rips. The coat is waterproof. He bought the coat on sale. The last one is hat. He tips his hat. The hat flies. The hat is stylish. She wore the hat proudly. So we have come to the end of this wonderful lesson. I hope you have learned a lot in this wonderful tutorial. Go to the comment box below and drop more examples of English words related to everyday objects that you know. You can also ask questions concerning this lesson. See you in the next video.